1 month later, what's the real story behind the iPhone 17 lineup? Let's break it down with facts and advice. First up, the iPhone 17, the base model offering solid performance and a premium feel. Then, the iPhone 17 Air, incredibly thin and minimalist, designed for ultimate portability. For power users, we have the iPhone 17 Pro, our performance flagship with advanced capabilities. And finally, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, boasting the best camera, largest display, and biggest battery for the ultimate experience. Starting with the iPhone 17, Reddit users are saying it finally feels premium. It features the A18 chip, delivering 10% faster CPU performance and dual 48 megapixel cameras with improved low light capabilities. You'll get around 19 hours of video playback. This model is best for students, casual users, and budget conscious buyers, with forums calling it the best base iPhone in years. Next, the iPhone 17 Air, which Reddit describes as feeling like holding a feather. It's incredibly thin at 6.1 millimeters and 12% lighter than the iPhone SE, making it exceptionally portable. However, it lacks a telephoto lens and has a smaller battery, offering about 16 hours of video playback. It's perfect for travelers, minimalists, and those who hate bulky phones, earning the verdict perfect for people who hate bulky phones. Moving to the iPhone 17 Pro, Reddit users praise its best balance of power and size. It boasts the A19 chip with vapor chamber cooling, a 120 Hz promotion display, and a durable titanium frame. Expect around 21 hours of video playback. This model is ideal for creators, gamers, and multitaskers, truly the sweet spot for performance and portability. Finally, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, where Reddit declares the camera is next level. It features 6 times optical zoom, spatial video recording, and an impressive 2-day battery life, approximately 25 hours of video playback. With its largest 6.9-inch display, it's built for filmmakers, influencers, and power users, truly the ultimate iPhone if you can handle the size. So, should you go for it? Choose the iPhone 17 if you want reliability without the bells and whistles. Go for the Air if you value portability and simplicity above all else. Opt for the Pro if you need speed, graphics, and future proofing for demanding tasks. And pick the Pro Max if you're serious about photography or video creation, or simply want the best. If you're upgrading from an iPhone 15 or older, any model will feel like a significant leap. However, if you own an iPhone 16 Pro, only the Pro Max offers a truly noticeable jump in features and performance. Still undecided? Drop your current iPhone model in the comments, and I'll tell you if it's worth upgrading. And hey, like, share, and subscribe to at Noah's Tech Bytes for brutally honest tech breakdowns.